Hi there, Summer Canes friends. Dr. Bucci here with a special elephant and piggy book. There is a bird on your head. Now, you don't have one of these. This is just an extra story I thought I would share with all of you. If you would like to give a gander, take a look-see from our YouTube channel by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ow! Gerald doesn't like a bird on his head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They've hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Where do you think those birds went? You're welcome. Went on Piggy's head. So that was There is a Bird on Your Head. Another elephant and piggy adventure. An extra story we thought we'd share with you, our Summer Canes friends. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.